Wagwan people were there again, my mother, Miss Lorna. Nana, Harry?
Yeah, man. Cool.
Bless up, bless up.
She used to sell up on the plantation. And she used to sell baked cake. And I sell ginger beer.
Mm-hmm.
And this one of this time now, maybe she used to get good sale, but you know how Jamaica people steal anything where you are do either what they do, they fight against one another. So then when the lady go and find the selling spot and I cake them what she just baking at this morning, you know. Everything turn warm, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The whole glass case full with worm. You know.
And there's no way they can write
And
so
all our ginger beer spoil, you know. What she making at this the same beer.
So she made the ginger beer?
Yes, so she make the ginger beer. She make the ginger beer because them the time they know, you know, you buy a ginger and grate it and make a ginger beer. You know what's strong and nice? Our ginger beer then spoil. The whole of the cake then spoil. So she eventually now go back out because she realized there's something wrong. And after that, no, after the cake then spoil, the lady gets sick and she pass out one bungalow cut up callaloo, you know. And then and she pass out. Me not remember how much English cock. Me not tell no lie. Me not remember.
English cock?
You know when you buy champagne and
okay,
right. And that she pass out is callaloo, the English cock, and spider.
Live spider?
Live spider.
In a bag or something like
no,
that?
No, in a chimney.
In
a chimney. And live spider. And now she knows it. She really something.
So bathroom she go and she find that happen.
She them the time they when I got a bathroom. I'm saying that.
No, me mean she want to use the bathroom and she use the
and
chimney.
you have your chimney in your
and
house.
that's so she said that and that's so she knows there's something go on when she pass out and something.
Yeah. Grab your chimney like said maybe she feel like she want pee-pee.
Yeah, that me say that me mean.
Right,
yeah.
and them so and then something they go on. So me that little picnic. So but now me realize me think say maybe she must go some doctors or somewhere for help her for make this she get cure. You understand?
Yeah, me understand it.
So with that, that was the second attack. Then attack the lady. Then the lady come with a big belly.
After she passed out, then something then she get a belly
she
start to get big.
Come with a big belly. And maybe she feel like say she pregnant, you know. She feel like say she pregnant and man buy up her baby clothes. And now they sitting there got hospital now.
And then they didn't have the ultrasound and then something.
No man.
So they would know.
And the time because then all them the time the people are baby a yard and all that something. But and so she go hospital for go get the baby. When she go hospital and baby born, I don't see cat.
See cat.
Octopus.
Yes.
And so I crawl up baby born and I crawl up on the wall. Octopus lady. And then she come home and just decide to just move out of the district. And she just
hold on. So this and you say this transfer over the whole hospital there. Where's the place again?
Hardly. The hospital there hardly.
Oh yeah, go Portland. But octopus she pass after the belly big and she thinks that she pregnant. So she carry the big belly for 9 months.
Yeah, just like your aunt.
God doctor. And when they got doctor now, then she pass over the octopus. And the octopus when he come out, he might run up and crawl all over.
The wall.
So who tell you say all of this happen?
No, they pick
The
the
medical people them?
they pick the children them from the lady, family.
Them where they see
Yes. Big data was there, and she come and tell we.
so where all the medical people then do?
Well, you know, must expect must take food. They say you don't take food.
They must. The room supposed to be empty when they see all that.
Ah boy, people go through something in their life, and man.
What?
Wicked people.
Wicked, that are more and wicked.
And that's why people.
Octopus.
That's why people afraid of September.
No, that ends up there doing loading and that. Because people always say that already. But there's something that happen everywhere. Matter of fact,
Everywhere.
worse than that happen all over the world.
Mm-hmm.
All over the world, worse than that happen. You see me? I say you never see when all them movie about exorcists and then sit there, people get possessed and all them. So,
yes.
so then something that happen everywhere there. But if you know, say she oh man, I do man buy up all baby clothes and something, thinking say she pregnant. Oh my auntie, that what happened to my auntie. I see him, damage she get from somebody mash her up. Do that too. And from that she mad.
And long after that, she get crazy, but she had a big belly at a clinic. And when 9 months pass, come. When 9 months pass and she no baby, and so she start to look for herself.
No, say something right. Wow. You see, when that's how you have to cover yourself, you know.
And then after that, no. Then just mother, she live on the street for life.
This are something different. This another lady where pass out the octopus. It's a completely yeah.
You said that's a lady who have the
similar thing like that lady. But if you know say boy the woman buy up baby clothes and what a piece of wickedness, man. Spend up all of them money they buy up sitting and then you know say a spiritual lick she get and they even know the whole time. And that's supposed to rough still, you know, because for the whole time that in you and you don't know.
And you don't know.
And you don't know. That the rough part about it, you know, the whole time that inside you and you don't know, and then you see it, you pass out that pan the hospital bed and see it run up and down pan the wall and something. My God. All a woman is strong still. For survival.
For survival.
And I'm mad and all them something.
Anybody who go through them something there, man, them strong.
Most strong, man. Mentally, physically, spiritually. You must strong for survive that and come back and normal. God, that's not mad. Anybody if you know say you go through all that. Mad. Rough, man. Rough. Some people, things where you can't work.
If some people tell them life story and things will happen to them, you're shocked for no. Say these things really can happen to people.
Happen to the true, man. True things and something where you hear. Something where you hear, boy. But you know what I mean? Yeah, sorry, that's why I say you have to protect yourself. Cover yourself and you know be careful of the people.
But sometimes you don't even know. Say because they say the closest person will try your friend, you know.
That's true.
And sometimes you don't even know.
Say people
There's somebody they bad mind you.
Because clearly because I keep them a sell and I ginger beer a sell.
And you are the same person them
right. Probably see me glad them with them amongst you.
Yeah,
attack and them I say, boy, you know, you make more money than me, so me I go mash up your thing, you know what I mean? Just bad mind. Majority of them thing they always come from out of bad mind. You know? Just like how them bad mind the pastor.
Exactly.
And Maddie man sitting. Yeah, majority it always just come from envious and bad mind.
And bad mind.
Then see you with something or see you with a position where them even if they don't want it, you know, then just don't want you to have it. You know what I mean? You know, just that is one of them things there. So we have to just believe in God, have faith, and cover yourself.
So let me tell you, say prayer, nothing beat prayer, man. Powerful. Nothing beat prayer and trust God.
For real.
God is so merciful. Because all of them people, you know, are the help of God save their life, you know.
So them they strong in their faith, them people.
Well, me don't know if they're strong in their faith, but me just feel say the help of God. God
of
himself,
course, then I must send God
help them. God himself deliver them
from them sickness to them.
Out of them sickness.
Real. Yeah. Yeah, man, people, Miss Lana again, aka the Duppy Lady, with another Duppy story for you people. And bless upon yourself, people. As I say, appreciate you watching. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up on it, you know what I mean? And drop it in the comments what you think of the video. If you know of anything similar, if you've been through anything similar, whether you believe or not believe, make you know in the comments and share to the community and make you know what go on, you know what I mean? And if you have any story where you want with a feature on the channel, just send me an email, you know what I mean? And we'll make you know you can shoot me the story and we just feature it. That if you want to do that, you know what I mean? So bless upon yourself, people, and what we say, Nana? Until the next video, Irie and out.